Hello kids! Masayang buhay with Jesus. What do you see, kids? What do you see? Yes, that is a royal court or a royal kingdom. Good job, kids! Of course, in royal kingdom, there is a king. Yan, alam niyo yan, di ba? Siyempre, may king. And of course, may queen. And also, there is a prince and a princess. Wow! Di ba? Siguro yung iba sa inyo mahilig pang manood ng mga Disney, di ba? So, all of them are prestigious. Sikat yan. Pero isa sa may mahalagang role in the palace is the servant. Alam niyo ba yon? Bakit nga ba naging mahalaga ang servant sa isang palace? Bakit important ang role ng servant? Listen to this. Someone is asking Jesus, Jesus, how to be great? How to be great? Sabi ni someone na yun kay Jesus, no? Teka, paano nga ba kids? Kayo ba, naisip nyo ba kung paano maging great? May kilala ba kayong sikat na tao? Sikat na artista? Sikat na vlogger? Sikat na basketball player? Siguro marami, for sure, marami kayong kilala. Pero, considered na great na ba sila? Great na ba sila dahil sikat sila? Let's see. Sa isang kwento sa Bible mula sa ating binasa, para kay Jesus, ay alam niya kung sino yung greatest. No? Para kay Jesus, ay ito yung greatest. Para kay Jesus, who is the greatest? Anong sabi ni Jesus? Whoever wishes to become great among you must be your servant. Oh no! Yung ba ang dakila kay Jesus? Yung ba ang sikat para kay Jesus? Yung ba ang tanyag para kay Jesus? Lahat pala ng gustong maging great, maging dakila, maging kakilala, ay dapat maging servant. For Jesus, the greatest must be a servant. Now kids, who is the greatest na kilala nyo? Sige nga, magsabi nga kayo, sino kaya kilala nyo? Kung pwede nyo i-type ang pangalan nila or i-comment nyo sa ating comment box, type nyo, sino o who is the greatest na kilala nyo? Diba? Pero, sa story natin, who is the greatest? Walang iba kundi si Jesus. Yes. Jesus is the Almighty King, but He didn't come to earth to demand that people serve me. No, hindi sinabi ni Jesus na people serve me, sa akin kayo maglingkod. Hindi sinabi ni Jesus yun. But instead, Jesus came to be a servant to all. Para maglingkod, di ba? Dumating pala si Jesus para maglingkod. To serve, to be a servant to all, and to give up His life. Di ba? Kaya sino ipinako sa krus? Si Jesus. So that we might have eternal life. What a wonderful thing na ginawa ni Jesus, no? We might have eternal life in heaven with Jesus. So, we are so blessed, di ba? Dumating si Jesus as a king, but not to be served, but to serve. Serving others is great exercise. So, kids, kayo mga bata, halimbawa sa school, nagagawa niyong magwalis, di ba? Sa bahay, nagagawa niyong tumulong. Imbis na kayo ang ipag-ayos ng gamit, kayo na lang mag-fix ng things niyo. Di ba? Ganun yun. Tapos, kapag nasa community kayo, may nakita kang kapwa mo bata nahihirapan, you can help them. Diba? Yung playmates mo nadapa, you can assist them. Diba? Ganun tayo. We can extend our help. We can serve one another. Yung lola mo, mami mo, daddy mo, lolo mo na kailangan ng water, ikukuha mo sila ng water, di ba? A simple service. Di ba? Kaya pagkakain tayo sa mga restaurant, di ba may mga nagsiserve sa atin? Di ba? Pagka may gusto tayo, tatawagin lang natin sila and then you can say kung ano ang request mo at gagawin nila yon para sa'yo. That is service. Ano? Serving others is great exercise. When we serve others, we put their needs before ours. Inuuna natin sila. We think of other people first. Diba? Unahin natin yung ibang tao. And walking with Jesus isn't a race with Jesus. Diba? Pag naglalakad tayo, hindi tayo nakikipag-unahan kay Jesus. But we follow Jesus. We follow Jesus. It's a learning from Him. It's using Him as an example. Jesus is a best example of being a servant. Walking with Jesus means we are to be more like Jesus. Diba? Siyempre gusto natin mga katulad ni Jesus. And who wants to be great? Raise your hands. Who wants to be great? Yes, if you want to be great, listen and remember this. Serve other with all your heart. Serve other with all your heart. Who wants to be great? Walk with Jesus and be like Him. Walk with Jesus and be like Him. Again, kids, gusto niyo bang maging great? Louder! Serve others with all your heart and walk with Jesus and be like Him.